Hello guys, you're welcome to Traders Delight. Compliment of the season, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. If you're new, I welcome you specially to my channel. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that once I upload a new video, you are notified immediately. And I want to appreciate all my old subscribers. Thanks for subscribing and liking all my videos. All right, today I want to discuss with you a new and amazing strategy that I call the MA RSI strategy. The MA RSI strategy. Now, this strategy can be used for currency trading, for stock trading, for crypto trading. You can also use it for synthetic indices, for as many as are using the derivative broker, and it's a very powerful strategy. However, I want you to please listen to all I'm going to share with you and make sure that you don't skip this so that you can get the best from this. All right. Now, even if you are new, to trading, by now, even as a beginner trader, you should have heard of the word called scalping. Now, scalping is a popular word in trading. Either you are trading Forex, you are trading crypto, either you are trading stock, or you are even trading synthetic indices. Scalping is something that you will get to see regularly. Now, some see scalping as gambling, and they are not wrong, because sometimes scalping can look like gambling if you don't know what you're doing. However, scalping can also be very profitable if you do the right thing. That is why I encourage you to please do exactly as the instruction says, and I'm telling you the results are highly profitable. Now, when we say scalping, for the benefit of those who might not have heard of it, who don't know what it means, scalping means taking large trades to make small profits. Scalping means taking large trade to make small profit, which means you want to go in big into the market, take for a short while, take a chunk of the profit, and then the benefit of scalping is the fact that if you can have a very good timing, go entering and coming out of the market, entry and exit, you can do it multiple times and accumulate your result. All right. So for this strategy, and generally for scalping anyway, scalping is done on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, and at most 15 minutes time frame. Any time frame higher than that, you are not scalping. So you should please understand what scalping entails. 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. However, if you are going to be scalping using any of my strategy for scalping, I highly recommend the 1 minute time frame. Please stick with the 1 minute time frame. It will help you if you stick with it. All right. So today we're going to use some indicators, which I'm going to explain to you how it works and how things can be used properly, so that you can understand. Now, we are using let's go to the indicator section. So for the indicator section, just go to the F button here, and then it will take you to the indicator section. So let's go to the indicator so I can explain some very basic things to you, and then you can understand. Now, for the indicators, this is what we are using. We are using the moving average period 30, shift 0, method simple. Please guys, take note: simple, apply to close, style 3 pixel, and then I use color white because I'm using a black background, so white will be very visible for me. So when you are done, you click done, and then you go to the next moving average. The next moving average is period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Then your style is 3 pixel, and then you use any color of your choice, but because I'm using a black background, I use color yellow so that it can bring out the signal clearly for me. So that is that. And then after then you go to your F plus and you add your first relative strength index, RSI, relative strength index. And when we look at that, you see the first relative strength index is period 8. Apply to close, style 3 pixel, and then use any color of your choice. I use color blue because it's be quite visible on my background. And then for the levels, for the first one, please take note, for the first relative strength index, for the levels, add level 25 and 75. Then the pixel, I use this ash color here, 2 pixel. You can use any one of your choice depending on the background you are using. All right, now when you are done, you go to this place now. Here, please take note here for the indicator window 1. So come to the F plus window, not this one. You come here and you click here. So you want to add another RSI with this previous RSI. All right, so once you are adding that one, the new RSI, we have period 1, apply to close. Please take note, style 3 pixel. Use your background color here. Now if your background color is black, use black just like I've done here, and if your background color is white, use white. All right, now for the levels, let the levels be 60 and 40. Levels 60 and 40. So there's pixel style, you can use any style of your choice, but make sure it's not the same color with the previous style or the previous relative strength index. What I mean is that in the previous one, we can see we use ash color, and for this one I'm using yellow color because I want it to be different. I want it to be unique. So make sure you use two different color, not the same color, so that you can be able to understand when I'm explaining it later on. All right, guys, I think with that we are done. Ignore this one, ignore this. This is for some other time. It's also a very powerful strategy. I'm coming up with that. Let's go to what we have today. Now, this is how you use it. This is how you use this. You can see a signal just formed now. This strategy is so powerful and it works so well. It works so well. Now you see a setup just formed here. How does it work? Once you see the 10 SMA below the 30 SMA, the 10 SMA, 10 simple moving average is below the 30 simple moving average, and you have a movement that takes the RSI above 60 but not up to 75, above 60 minus 75, immediately the RSI crosses the 60 line downwards, go in, take one candle and out of the market. Take one candle and leave the market. Take one candle and leave them. Just take one pip. All right. So let's see another signal form. This is another one. You can see here, see the formation here. You can see the 10 SMA is below the 30 SMA, and then the signal came. You can see it crossed the 60 above, it didn't touch 75, it crossed below. You go in, take one, just one candle. This 1 minute time, 1 minute scalping. Take one candle and you're out of the market. All right, let's look for another one. Look at this. This is very good one. You can see the 10 SMA has crossed below the 30 SMA here, and then this signal formed. You can see crossed the 60 above, it didn't touch 75, and it crossed below. You go in, take one candle, just one candle, and then you're out of the market. Now let's look at it from somewhere else. Look at this. This is a very good subformation as well. You can see this. The 10 SMA is below the 30 SMA, and then you see the market went cross the 60, going down. You go in, take one candle and you're out of the market. Just one pip and you're out of the market. If you do this, you can see how many. You can see you can do as many as possible here. If you do a lot of these every day, by the time you are done the day, done at the end of the day, you will have gathered a lot. You can do this for as many commodities as possible. This is very powerful. Stick to it and you are going to get a lot of profit. So guys, if you have gotten value from this, please smash the like button now so that you can help the YouTube algorithm take this video viral, and then other people can also benefit from it. All right guys, share your result with me. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Take care.